This is Museum Network News. I'm Sonia Gavankar. We have headlines in a moment, but first, a check of the weather.
Hi, my name is Adrian Contag.
Hi, I am Alessandro.
And today's weather is partly cloudy with some rain. So it's really good that you stay indoors and let your mind rot by watching TV.
And a tornado in Kansas.
This tornado may ruin your house, so you might have to live on the street for a couple of days.
And a tsunami.
Thanks for that update. Stick with Museum Network News for the latest information.